All right, so I said don't shoot a video and drive 80. All right, so I'm doing 45 and a 35 around a bend. But we just witnessed some dude with a trailer pass an Amish cart and horse and buggy uphill in a double line. I did get a ticket for 10 miles an hour. Thank you, Mr. Patrolman Officer of the Year. You did a great job. I won't give up your name or your badge number or your vehicle. But they are out there fishing, guys. They got 3 cars basically in 3 seconds. And I said to April, they must have met at Dunkin' Donuts. Stopped at Wawa first and got their 5-hour energy drinks, and then went to Dunkin' Donuts and had like 5 cups of coffee. And you're like, bro, we're pulling everybody over today on this 12-hour shift. Raw! I don't care if you're going 1 mile an hour over the speed limit. Doing our job, sir. Yes, sir. Good job, officer. You see that? I'm very patriotic. So thank you. We're out here in the good country. He didn't even know where we were going. Nope. April's like, we're out here gold prospecting in Peach Bottom. He's like, where's that? What do you mean, where's that? Peach Bottom, Peters Creek? He didn't know. He's probably not even from around here. I should have checked his badge and his ID. Made sure he was a cop. Let me see that piece of paper. Is that shit legit?
It's legit. Stop it.
I ain't never got a ticket on fucking white note paper.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. Oh, it's $177.
God damn.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah. This is his number right here.
No, well, we don't want to give that away. He asked us not to give up his information. He was cute, though. Yeah, we're out here in God's country, people. And they write tickets out here in God's country. And then April was like, how does he really not know like where we're at? Well, I don't think there's too much domestic violence shit going on around here in where are we, Lancaster-ish? I'd say maybe like, hey, your dog humped my dog complaint or shit like that. But I don't really think there's much going on out here.
It even says not of Hispanic origin. Like, why would why would they have to write that?
Am I getting fucking profiled?
It says.
The fuck does that have to do with?
It says race white, right?
Yeah.
And then underneath of it, it says not of Hispanic origin.
Do I look fucking Hispanic?
But that's
does
weird.
it even matter?
I guess it does.
Why?
Because of
all people should be treated the same.
I agree.
And not labeled.
Well, you were just labeled.
Fuck, I might have to go to court and ask the fucking judge what's up. I think that's profiling-ish on paper. Anyway, I'm not fucking coming out here wasting my time for that shit. I'm gonna have to brush up on my state law. You can't even ask a black person if he's black.
No.
What does it matter?
It doesn't.
I mean, I might look a little.
You do not look like anything but what you are.
Uh-oh, I got someone rolling up on me in a mom van. He was trying to pass in a non-passing zone. I'm gonna have to hold him up. Let him know Roscoe Pico train is out here on full force today.
Roscoe.
Isn't it beautiful? Am I speeding again? Yep, I am. All right, we're signing off because we're getting ready to get that gold.